Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Giselle Nails. So today's video, as you guys can see in the title, I'm going to be doing a nail station tour for you guys. I've done one in the past, and I believe it was like 6 months ago, but the way my camera was set up and how I didn't know how to record at the time, it looked a hot mess. So I wanted to give you guys better content, better quality, and that's what I'm doing for you guys today. So I'm going to show you guys a little update on what I got, how I organized everything from the last time that you guys seen my little nail station tour. It's a little different, not too much different. I do know when I do move to my next house, I'm definitely going to set it up so much better. I want it to be just really different. So it's gonna look a lot different. It's gonna be different than what it looks like right now. But if you guys are enjoying the video so far, make sure you guys give this video a big thumbs up. If you guys like to see more videos on my nail channel, please subscribe and join the nail family. And yes, comment down below if you guys have, any ideas of what you guys want to see on this channel. Anything that you guys have in particular that you want me to do. Feel free to comment down below and I can, assist you with that. But without further ado, let's get into the video. Okay guys, so don't mind it. Let me get this out the way. Don't mind it. It's a little tacky. It's gonna get, I'm gonna paint this. I'm definitely gonna paint this. Not sure what color yet, or I might get a new desk because I've been looking at a bunch of desks that I do want. So anyways, right here you have the chair where the client will sit. I'm definitely going to be getting new chairs, new everything. This is temporary. So we have my lamp right here, my face mask, paper towels. Over there is my fan. Trash cans down here. My drill. Down there is where I put my implements when I'm doing the nails and I'm disinfecting. So over here is just pictures of what my kids made me in daycare and in school. But yeah, if you guys want to see my children and meet my children, feel free to go to my other YouTube channel, which will be in the description box, but it's kortneyjizel. They're all up on my other YouTube channel. And I have a lot more content on there if you guys want to check that out and subscribe as well if you're not. So next over here we have some of my nail polishes or whatever, and then this is just a sample. What I didn't do, and I'm not gonna probably do in this house, is fix it, but I want to get another shelf. My niece gave this to me. Actually, she got this from Marshall, she said, but it's really cute. Let me back up. It's really cute, but it doesn't fit all my polishes. I have a lot of polishes. I'm gonna show y'all. Anyway, so up there is my first letter of Courtney in my name. That was a plant from my grandma. It was on Christmas, actually. I just put it up there. Picture of me and my daughter. So right here, this is my storage bin, basically, storage. In here is just a bunch of important papers that I just keep right here. Nothing important in there. Down in here is just arts and crafts stuff, but I'm going to probably use this for something different. Okay, so these are my hand mannequins. I gotta take those out, take those off and redo them. So I'm gonna have a video coming up with that, me doing those pretty soon, probably tomorrow. Right here, this is where all my brushes are, my everything, my brushes, all my brushes. And I got pencils in there just because I need to write something down. But all of this stuff is not organized. I'm still in the process of getting organizers. So right there are just the new nails I put on and stuff that I designed and I polished. So in here, this is one of my new polishes too. This is the long wearing for the UV, but it's a top coat. So here's like all my top coats. Plenty of top coats in here. Plenty of top coats in here. Then I have my gel stuff in here as well. I have my non-acetone and I have my acetone. I got my soap. nail spray, my lotions, hand sanitizer, all that good stuff right there. So if you come in here into this drawer, it's not organized, guys. It's a mess. Like I said, I'm not done getting organizers, so this is not the final touch of this drawer, but it's just messy. Everything's not in order. But I have more nail polishes down here. I don't know if you guys can see all of those. My acrylic paints are back there. I have to get some more glitters. I'm experimenting on that. Stay tuned for the next video that I got for you guys. Yeah, roach sponges. Go to the next drawer. And right here I have these things because I'm going to label them, but I'm not really sure what exactly is going on with all of them. In here, my nail files, buffers, forms, well, liquids, my primers, nail brushes are in here. There's all my nail tips. I'm trying to give you guys some good, okay. Towels are in here. I don't have that many towels. I had to throw away so many because my kids ruined them with slime. But it's okay because they're not expensive. This is my receipt book if I have to write a receipt for somebody that's getting their nails done. And this is just a scheduling book, which I don't really use it, but I should. Next drawer, this is just storage. So I have like cotton balls. This is for my disinfectant. I'll fill that up. And my little finger bowls. And then down here is a mini LED light. This is I have 3 drills. This one was the one my husband bought me. This one that I'm using now. And then in this one, in my bits and stuff. Okay, so you come back up here. I'm gonna turn this chair around because I'm definitely about to sit for y'all. Here's my UV lamp right here. Brand new. I use it. I got this for like $60. Cosmoprof. Alright. My foot bath for when I do pedicures. Usually the only feet I do is my daughter's feet or my husband's feet. This is what it looks like. I'm going to have to lift the whole thing. I have to clean it. But this is what it looks like. So I can put like files right here if I need to. Implements, whatever. Right there. So these are actually labeled. As you guys can see. These are actually labeled. But I didn't finish the bottoms. So anyway. Okay. So I guess we can work our way from bottom to top. So we'll do the bottom first. So down here is my pedicure drawer. And it has my polish dryer spray. Everything that I use for pedicures. And if you guys want to see a video on how I do a pedicure, make sure y'all comment down below. Let me know that you want to see a pedicure video. And in here is my acrylics. Get it open because I have this in here. My acrylics are in here. I don't have them in. I have to go buy more. So those are my acrylics. In here are my gloves and basically first aid stuff. My gloves for pedicures. Then I use this to clean up and disinfect. I use my rubs. This is my first aid, shall I say, my first aid little bag. And I always keep a band-aid in there. Alcohol pads. These are just Ziploc bags if I need to dispose anything as far as blood on a tissue or anything to clean anything up. I use that. Now, I have to get my disinfectant wipes because I didn't grab those today when I went out to the store. And here's my rhinestones, and this will be my rhinestones, and this is where my glitter acrylic will be at in these little jars. I just got these from Walmart, and they were $1. They're so cute. So they came with 3, and they actually stack up. Let's see. So you put it on top and you twist it. So they all actually stack up. See? And you just have to untwist it. So yeah, so I have like These little fruit, little, you know, things. Colorful ones. These are what I would use for, like, to mix my acrylics and my glitters. Get all the funky stuff out of it. Some more rhinestones right here, my little jewels, which are gonna go. They're gonna go in here in my bin that I just got today too. Which you guys, I made a video of it, but it has a lot of little slots. Got these in here, little rhinestones, cute silver ones. They're gonna go in here too. Nail art. Never opened it yet, never used it yet, but I will use it eventually. Alright, and my last drawer, just my implements are in here, and trash bags. Trash bags are in here for when I need to, trash bags are in here so whenever I need to change my trash can right there. But I'm going to open these implements for you too, so you guys can see what I got in here. So, everything in here. Tip cutter, scissors, fingernail clippers, tweezers are in here. Everything is in here that I really need sometimes, depending on, you know, cuticle cutters. Everything is in here. Everything. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys got some, you know, ideas on how you can set up your nail stations or your makeup station, your hair station, whatever, you know. Any type of ideas that you guys took or pointers or whatever. If you guys like this video, make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up. If you want to see more content, make sure you guys subscribe, turn on your push notifications, your bell, so you guys don't miss out on any videos that I have coming for you guys. And I just want to say thank you so much. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.